Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to do a plan with me using this very cute, it's called Mousey Christmas. This one is from Planner Pixie Co. And this one is available as both physical copies and a printable copy. This one I printed myself, so I bought the printable, and these are all the pages that I'm going to be using, but there's a lot more that came with this kit. I'll share it with you in just a second when we get to it. I am having to do another voiceover. I've had rather a loud week this week in the house, so I haven't had much of an opportunity until really late at night to actually come back and do the voiceovers, but I did want to lay down all the weeks. I'm trying to get caught up so that I'm not so far behind. So I'm actually planning the week that we're in right now. And as I do this voiceover, it is Wednesday night. So I'm so excited to finally have my planners all caught up. It's just such a good feeling. Such a good feeling. This is the week before. It came out fantastic. This is the Merry Friendsmas one that was drawn by my daughter. That video just went up the other day. So if you haven't seen that one, you can head back and check it out. And now I'm just going to start doing what I do, which is just laying down my headers. And I always put the top and the bottom on first because I feel like then I'm centered. I'm grounded. I know where I'm at, and then I can just kind of do what I want in the middle. And I'm actually have that one open in front of me so that I can look at it and talk as we are kind of laying down the stickers. So for this one, I ended up doing again another spread along the bottom, which mainly just because of the washi is I wanted to use that striped washi in the middle because I had plans. I had plans to put things like little quotes and stuff inside of it because it's a pretty wide strip. I haven't gotten that far yet. I'm not sure yet, other than putting the weekend banner in there. I'm not sure what else I want to put in there, but I just want to try it out and see how it would look. I don't do it here because I have to go through and look and see out of all the freebies what ones that I might want to put in there. Or I also have some strings of Christmas lights that are they came in a couple of the kits that I have from Chubman and Hubgirl. Or I'm sorry, Hubman and Chub Girl. Wow, I'm totally backwards. I'm like having a backwards moment right now. But from them where they had the individual cutout strings of lights that I thought might look cute in there. So I'm not sure yet. I don't know what I'm going to put in there. So right now I'm just trying to figure out which boxes I'm going to take to put on the sidebar. You can tell that this one is my Avalon and Ninth planner, which I love because it's nice and simple and easy, and there's nothing crazy to try to figure out with a weird sidebar or weird boxes or funky dark lines. So you can totally tell that I'm probably going to stick with the Avalon and Ninth planner going forward. And then the Plum planner, I'm kind of having fun with it. I don't do any plan with me's in it. I might do one just to kind of show it. I do show the finished laid down stickers on my Instagram quite a bit. If you haven't been over there, it's at Coco and Fluff. So you can check that out. But that one was originally meant to be a planner where I actually used the timed portion of it because I did do that, and I also had them put parts in the back for like social media and then like an idea boards and stuff like that. I haven't used them, not once. I tried to do it for Black Friday, but that flipping all the way to the back when I'm in the front of the planner just doesn't work for me, so I won't do that again. But I am using the planner as kind of a fun putting down stickers wherever I feel like putting them, kind of not in this format, but using a lot of like journaling style stickers, leaving a lot of white space open for writing, stuff like that. So I'm not using it the way I use this planner, not using it the way I use my TPC planner. I actually have 4 planners right now, and I'm caught up in all 4 of them, so I'm very excited. And I'll explain to you which ones they are. So the Plum planner was supposed to be my work planner. It's turned into kind of an everything just play with stickers kind of a planner, especially when I get kits that aren't full enough to do like this no white space type planning. So that one is turned more into like the smaller kits to go in there and just kind of play around. Then my Avalon and Ninth, which is this one, which is more of my family planner, the one where I just kind of write down all the family stuff and some memory keeping, that kind of things goes in this one. And then the TPC planner, which is supposed to be more for shop stuff, but it ends up mostly just being me playing because I have a lot of stickers that I want to use, so there's a lot of overlap. That one is more shop related stuff, or I should say sale related stuff, not really shop related. I do put in there kind of a mix of both things, so you'll see like I'll have laundry in there and things like that where it's not necessarily shop related, it's more house related. I don't know. I just kind of mix and match. I don't really have any planner that has any one specific function, but what they do all have in common is they keep me on track, and that's all that's really important. And I always said before that I just wanted a planner to play with, just stickers that didn't have any purpose other than to lay down a bunch of really adorable stickers. And so I kind of feel like I've spread that out through all of the planners. And then the last planner that I have is actually my memory keeping, and that's my Coco Daisy planner. So I think I showed that in a recent video that I've changed up my subscription to where I now have it in Happy Planner style with the discs, and I like that better. So that is the one that I'm using. That's 100% memory keeping, and that is just kind of something that I learned from my mom. Over the years, she has gone basically totally into her planning is just memory keeping, and not memory keeping like, oh, this happened today, I feel like this is this is that. Hers is more because she's in the very early stages of Alzheimer's, where she's starting to forget a lot of things. She forgets who she talked to, she forgets what she did that day, she forgets if she took her medicine, those kinds of things. So that is where her memory keeping seems to be going, is more into the, I can refer back and see that I talked to so-and-so on this day, I have this that I need to do today, I took my pills today, I did this today, I watered the plants today, you know, that kind of stuff. That's more like what I mean by memory keeping. So I'll put down like what we had for dinner, who I talked to, what packages came, what things that I needed to remember to do, appointments. I'll put all of those things inside of my Coco Daisy planner, which is more that type of memory keeping. And then I'll also put like special things, like when Raina's here, I'll put stuff about Raina down, like what we did that day and what she did and what she's doing now, because they grow up so stinking fast. And like one day she's not doing something, and then the next day I see her and she's doing it. So like that kind of stuff I write in there. So it's a lot more of that rather than doing like, you know, pictures and that kind of stuff. It's more that kind of memory keeping, just because I'm not at a point where I feel like I'm forgetting anything, but I just like to reference back and just see what it says. So, and I keep those ones. Those are the ones that I don't like get rid of. Actually, to be honest, I haven't gotten rid of a single planner yet. I have a shelf in my office that is all planners, and it's all the old ones, and every once in a while it's just kind of fun to pull one out and look, just any random page, and just look and see what I did, like on any week, on any day, and just see what we were doing at that time. And it's kind of fun to like look back and see. As a matter of fact, I pulled one out the other day when I was rearranging the shelves. Excuse me, my voice is going. Too much talking today. I pulled one out the other day, and it happened to be, I opened it up to right when Raina was first born. So that's almost 2 years ago. And I opened it up to right when she was a newborn baby. And there was actually a picture in that one, because I had actually been taking some of the small little 2x3 photos and using my Photo Smart to print out the little sticker pictures. And those were in that planner. And I just kind of went back and read it, and I thought, you know, it was just kind of fun to like look back and see what she looked like when she was itty bitty in my planner, and what we were doing that day. It was just, I don't know, it was just kind of fun to do. Anyway, back to the planner. So this voiceover stuff is going to end, hopefully the next one. So the next video after this should be a regular normal plan with me, or if not, it might actually be a reveal video. I'm not sure yet what I'm doing, because I'm pretty certain that most of the things for the new journal bundles should be here by the time I have the ability to do another video, because I go back to work on Thursday. So I work Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and those are 12-hour shifts where I sleep in between. So there's no video going on there, no videoing, but deliveries are scheduled. So if I get all the deliveries in, I plan on doing the reveal video for the Book Lover bundle, and you'll be able to see the washi, you'll be able to see all the products up close. There's pictures of them on the website, obviously, because it's not like it's a secret. It's up on the website. You could even buy them now if you wanted to. But the washi tape, I've been waiting for it to come in, and also to do the washi cards. So all of that stuff should be here this week. So I should be able to do that video, and that one's going to be a separate video, because I'm also going to talk about the journaling challenge that we have over on our Facebook group. So kind of like some of the, there's not really any rules to it, to be honest. I don't want there to be any rules. I want you to be able to do what you want. But if you want to be able to participate in it and possibly even win prizes at the end of the month when the challenge is over, then there will be a few rules that you have to follow along with in order to be able to qualify for that. And it won't be anything like super strict or, you know, exciting, just some basic rules about the different types of spreads and whatnot, and how many times you can enter and all that good stuff. So anyway, that is all stuff that I hope I will be able to do at the beginning of next week. And then I put in my application for the TPC sale for January. I won't hear back about that until tomorrow. Hopefully I got into the sale. It's not a guarantee, guys. It's never a guarantee. So if I don't, I will also be announcing when our sale for the Cocoa and Fluff, there's going to be kind of a grand opening. There's going to be some freebies. There's going to be all kinds of stuff for the new standalone website. So that will also be happening beginning of January. So if I don't get into the TPC sale, I will be announcing our shop's sale information both on video and on Instagram and Facebook and, you know, all the platforms. So there will still be a sale even if I don't get into the TPC sale. But if I get into the TPC sale, then all that information will be based on the criteria for the TPC sale. Anyway, back to the planner. Look at how bright these colors are. Like, it's very pastel, which isn't necessarily me. The boxes are not pastel at all. Like, the boxes are nice and bright. I love the greens and the pinks and the all different types of greens and stuff, and the reds. But these extra like little boxes on the outside, I think they look very pastel to me because of the shades of blues and pinks. Maybe not pastel. I don't know what to call it because they're not light. They're bright. They're not primary colors. So I guess, I don't know, bright pastels, is that a thing? Anyway, it's just like really pretty. It's just really pretty. I have it sitting in front of me and I've already filled out all the way up until Wednesday, and then a couple of things for Thursday that I already know about. One of which is I've already started working on the exclusive art kit for Wednesday. So just, there's a little sneak for you. I know I've talked about it in a couple of videos, and I really, really hope you guys want this. Actually, I don't care. I don't care. If you don't want it, it's coming anyway. But I think if you have watched the video prior to this, you know why I do exclusive art the way I do it, because it's something that I love, and I love my artist, and I think she's fantastic, and I don't really, it doesn't matter to me. I hope people buy it because then that would help me pay for the art. But at the same time, I don't mind paying for it because it's something that I love and I want. And since I just finished the series, and I definitely plan on rewatching it more than once before season 2 comes out, I wanted to have the artwork available so that I can use it on the rewatch, and other people can use it if they're just getting into Wednesday, or if they just want to celebrate how much they love the show, because I know it is a smash hit. Everybody loves this show. And the girl that plays Wednesday is now one of my favorites. Like, I'm going to watch everything that she is in because she just cracks me up. Especially if you haven't seen it yet. I won't spoil anything, but the dance, yes, 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 yes. I love that. Anyway, so if you haven't seen it, go watch it. You'll love it, I promise. What else is going on? Let's see. On Saturday, because it's a work day, I still have some more new releases to get done. I have put out quite a few. If you haven't been over to the shop, go check out the shop and take a peek and see what new releases I have out so far. I'm kind of moving, like for January, obviously I wanted to have some of the like Valentine's Day stuff for you for February. So there's definitely some Valentine's Day stuff in there. Exclusive art is also coming at the end of December, so you will have that available in January. That one I don't have yet because she's still working on it, but when it comes in, I will get it up right away, and then that'll be available. And then I'm also kind of doing more of the spooky stuff. So I did Ghost Hunters, I did Creepy Christmas, trying to do more of that because I really want to participate in the 52 weeks of Halloween, which is something that Avalon and Ninth is doing. And I've been ordering her boxes so that I have enough kits myself But I wanted to make sure that people who want to, because Avalon and Knights doesn't do printables, and I want to make sure that people who want to follow along and do the 52 weeks of Halloween have options of places that they can go to either print or buy kits, other kits, so that you can kind of follow along. And I think it's a really fun thing to do. There's also two of my PR girls and me as well are going to do 52 weeks of Scrappy Fox. So I should say Cocoa Fluff because it's not Scrappy Fox anymore, but at the time when they talked about it, it was called the Scrappy Fox. So it's going to be 52 weeks of Cocoa and Fluff. So they're going to be doing 52 weeks of kits from my shop. And it's not necessarily artwork that we did because obviously we don't have 52 weeks of Cocoa and Fluff, but 52 weeks worth of kits that you can pick up in my shop. So I want to make sure that there's plenty of stuff that's themed towards the Halloween kind of spooky stuff and some other stuff that's just, you know, seasonally themed. So I've got some spring kits coming. I've got some love kits. I just did Pizza Love, which is absolutely gorgeous, which doesn't necessarily have to be a Valentine's Day. It can be an anytime celebration type kit because it doesn't like anywhere say Valentine's Day in there, but it's just like this really pretty Italian restaurant kind of a thing. So anyway, here we are. We're at the end. I'm putting down just the last of the little bits. I don't really have a lot of extras to add to this one this time. Usually I have like a lot of scripts and a lot of little icons to put in there, but to be honest, all I did was go through and put Wacky Holidays in, and that was pretty much it because I don't know, I just liked this one not covered in a bunch of icons, so I didn't do it. I'm going to put down the Wacky Holidays with you, and I will go through them to show you what is for this week. And this was the spread that I thought was the best one that I wanted to use for the Wacky Holidays. Also putting the weekend banner down in that area that I told you I was going to put it. Sometimes I put it at the very bottom, but this time I wanted to put it kind of in that big band right there. And then I've got a few other, I think I'm definitely going to go for the Christmas lights, maybe even some of the holly leaves that I have that are like individually cut. I think that would be really pretty in there. So I don't know yet. I haven't really done a lot with it, but right now I'm just kind of looking at scripts to see what I want to put in there. And I really only have a couple. Like for sure, I know Wednesday we go grocery shopping. And I'm looking at this and I really don't think I put a lot in there. I really don't. Other than I just added to Tuesday in that little pink spot right there, I put buy Legos because my husband bought me a Lego set for Christmas that's coming on the 21st. So I'm super excited about that. There they are right there. I love those. So I have my buy Legos in there, and then just kind of going through and looking to see if there's really any icons that I could use from my little list right here, but not really. I don't think so. Not even on the groceries. I didn't even put one in the groceries. I do have some Christmas ones and I can't find them. Sorry, my chair's squeaking. I don't know what I did with them, but I had some Christmas icons like for groceries and stuff, and I don't know where they went. So now we will put down, I thought I put down Wacky Holidays with you, but maybe I didn't. Oh my goodness. I don't think I did. Well, sorry guys, I didn't put them down with you. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching this. I'm so sorry that I didn't put down the Wacky Holidays. They're really, really cute. I do have a photo up on Instagram of this with the Wacky Holidays on it, so if you want to see those, go check it out. And I will see you again on the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye.